Is it time for change? When isn't it time for change? Is there ever a time when we're not changing? I'd say that there are certainly times when we are unaware of the changes, or when we're resisting the changes that are taking place. There are times when we're separate or in denial, when we don't see the signs of change that are all around us. There are times when we're disconnected from nature and the natural cycle of changes. There's times when we are disconnected from our own inner nature, our true nature, and the changes that are happening to us. I'd say the bigger question is do we know, are we aware of the changes? Do we have any choice over the changes? Are we choosing the changes? Sometimes the changes are beyond our choice. And sometimes it makes sense to resist them. Is it time to change? Of course it's time to change. There's no other time.